Hey guys, had a super day today. Fort George sandbars with the family. It was awesome. On the way home, I saw a bird in our neighborhood, that cormorant that had been for the last week just slowly deteriorating because it had some sort of fibers on its beak, and so it couldn't eat, and it was pretty sad to see. And thankfully today I got a chance to grab a hold of it and take care of it. So check this out. It's okay. You're gonna be okay. You're gonna be okay. You're okay. I got you. You're gonna be okay. You're gonna be okay. Hey, it's okay. Ready? Okay, good. That's right. Oh, you're doing good. Good work. What is this? Huh? I bet you're hungry. Okay, we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. All right, you're doing good. It's okay. It's okay, you're doing good. Oh, you're doing good. Hang on, hang on. Hang on. Hang on. I know, it's gonna be a lot better after this. I know, there's no fun. Hang on there, bird gate. Hang on, bird gate. Oh, we're almost there. We're almost there. I know. Yep, I can feel it too. Oh, we're close. Oh, there you go. There you go. Oh, your mouth is free. Yay. All right, all right. Almost, a little bit more. All right, bird gate. Go get a fish, okay? Look at, there's bird gate. He's free. He's free. Go on. Get in there. Go ahead. There goes bird gate. That's a good day right there. That's a good day.